otherwise known as the Aqua Vitae Dealer. I'd like to welcome you to the Cape Town Homemakers virtual event running from the 1st to the 6th of September. Today I'm going to show you how to make some cocktails that you can easily bring out to entertain your guests at a dinner party or even a braai. To start with, I'm going to make some turmeric syrup. So I have 100 ml of boiled water here, just freshly out of the kettle, adding 100 grams of sugar, and then I'll add a teaspoon of turmeric. Going to stir that until everything dissolves. Then we'll let it sit a bit. And by the time we move on to that cocktail, it will be ready to serve. Quicker way to do this is to stick it in a pot on the stove and just carry on stirring until you see all the sugars dissolve. But this works as well. So while that cools, we're going to start with our first cocktail, which we'll be using the Belladonna Nightshade Gin from West Coast Distillers. So we're doing 12 ml of lemon juice, freshly squeezed. Saves you the trouble of watching me do that process. And then 1 teaspoon of apricot jam. Any apricot jam will do. Give that a quick stir. And then a shake. Take this nice tangy sweet mixture, pour it into your glass of choice. Ideally we fine strain it because you don't want those little ice crystals going through. And add some ice. Dash of soda. There we go. You've got quite a nice little non-alcoholic refreshing drink there. We're going to do 1.5 shots of our nightshade gin, just so you can see this beautiful reaction that's going to take place. Very subtle, but we're going from a purple to an orange to a pink there. Give that a little stir. Voila, cheers. Now this works beautifully because there's a lot of stone fruit flavors coming in from the Belladonna, and so apricot being a stone fruit, it really just plays well with those flavors that the nightshade berries have given to the gin. You can actually see that it's changing color now as it mixes with the acid from the lemon juice. So I'm pretty sure you've got that one. Pretty easy to make, stuff you can find inside your kitchen cupboard. Simple. Now we're going to step it up a notch. I've already shown you how to make this turmeric syrup. After that, it's easy as cake. So let's take our glass here and our shaker. Some ice. Let's see. Cool. Now we're going to work with the Caspian dry gin. So this one is also from West Coast Distillers, based in Langevan, and it's beautiful notes of citrus on the nose from the Citronella pelargonium that they use as one of the botanicals. So both great local gins. I really suggest you check them out. If you can't find that, then just find something that's a bit citrusy, with that like sweet lemon vibe to it, and it should work pretty fine. So with this one, we're adding in 25 ml of lemon juice and 25 ml of our turmeric syrup. Then we're going to put 50 ml of our gin in. Yeah, it's going to be a strong one. So maybe you can start with this one, then move on to this one if you want to. And then 100 ml of grape juice. Now I've gone in freshly squeezed green grapes here because I couldn't find green grape juice or not red grape juice at the shop, but you're welcome to buy it in, still work just as well. And another option is also to use a nice Sauvignon Blanc. If you're trying to get those green peppery notes, fresh vegetable flavors. Shake. Strain out any dilution. We know that's going to be. We're not done yet. Now finally we just want to add some mint. So we've got some beautiful mint sprigs here. Those of you who work with a lot of mint will know it's an issue to actually find nice mint. At least keep finding nice mint. Take those, give them a quick slap, stir them in. And then finally, got to make it look pretty. Just take a little mint sprig here. Oops. And cheers. Enjoy. Wow. So this one really works beautifully. The turmeric's almost like if you don't understand the flavor of turmeric, would compare it to a more subtle ginger. So that mixed with your freshness of the green grapes, there's beautiful fresh flavors coming from the dry gin, and then on top of that the mint makes this a great cocktail going into summer now. Both of these will work beautifully. Quick, easy to make. You can batch them big, especially this one, to have them from a punch bowl where people can pour from. This one you can prep and then they can just top it with some soda and then you're good to go. I would just like to thank you all for watching. So be sure to check out the other videos in the Cape Town Homemakers virtual event running from the 1st to the 6th of September. And be sure to check me out on Instagram as the Aqua Vitae _dealer. Thank you for watching.